3.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Here I am again for my second certified 2017 Series 2 footy cards. There we are, that's the box. We've got a box on us here, so looking forward to opening it up. Had a pretty lucky day today, managed to get a couple of Guernsey cards in Gunston and Nick Natanui. So, look, I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, good things come in threes, hey? So here we go, just opening it up. Okay, and how many of you are getting excited for the footy finals? Unfortunately, my boys won't be there, but I just love finals footy. So I'll be at the games in the AFL reserve, so if you see me, feel free to join. Okay, so nearly done. It's always this last sticker that always gives me a bit of grief, but here we go. Okay, so 36 in each box, and yeah, we have got 12 on in each row. Cool. Here we go. So we'll start up. We'll go from my right. I think that's what we started with last time, so managed to get a Premiership redemption last time that we filmed a break. So here we go. And we have, it's a 460. And it is Josh Caddy. Yep, just checking with the camera lady if it's coming up nicely. Yep, and that is number 271 of Josh Caddy, who just went back to his home ground last week against the Cats. Okay, here's the next pack. Okay, now with that one, that's a base hit, so no inserts, just commons in that one. And we have got a Max Gawn All-Australian. Fortunate enough to have scored a set of the All-Australians, so yeah, nice relief. Okay, now, third pack is, oh wow, it's come nice and quickly. And that is Luke Dunstan from the St Kilda Saints. And that one, nice low number as well, 025. Luke Dunstan, not a bad one at all. So we'll just put that one there. Oh, put it up here so it can be seen. Yep. Here we go. Now, 460 of Rory Sloane from the Adelaide Crows, number 451. Okay, now we've got another Rory Sloane, but this one's an All-Australian team. Okay, now another All-Australian team, also for the Crows. Daniel Talia. What am I doing going for the box? My apologies, guys. I believe I've taken one out of the box in the second row. But it's a legitimate box, so just in the next row we're going to have one less. My apologies for that. Okay, now Dan Houston. Now this is a good one. To get it this week, he was the nominee for the NAB Rising Star. So yeah, and that is number 383. So I've got to just stay focused and pick my cards from the left-hand side here. Okay, now another 460s, the Geelong checklist, and it's a nice low number as well, 032. Now with this one on the back, it's got all the Geelong players part of the 460. Okay, I've got I'm fairly confident this is a base hit. So, yep, nothing in that one. So we'll just... Okay, now, very close to finishing the first row. And for those of you who are interested, if you were to be looking straight at the box, it was on the right-hand side. That was the Luke Dunstan signature. Okay, so we've got another All-Australian, and that is Buddy Franklin. Okay, and this is the last one of row one, right-hand side. And just remember, I only opened 11. Yep, and that is Travis Cloke in his new colours at the Western Bulldogs. And that is number 104, goal to goal. So, nice ones, those goal to goals. New insert. So, just to show you, these are the ones, this is the middle row, which I accidentally took one out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Usually it would be 12, but I took one out. Okay, so we'll put it here just so the camera can see. Here we go. Okay, have we got something here? Got a feeling it could just be a base hit. Yeah, it is. So nothing in that one. Right. Yeah, and yep, all commons there. Oh, and this is a good one here. We've got a rookie card, which I definitely did express this in my last box break, but these are my favourite out of this this series, the rookie card, and that is Dion Johnston, and he's number 142, being drafted by Melbourne, and his rookie card number is number 64, so that would be where he was drafted. Yep, just some commons there. Okay, I think we've got something here. Oh, and not a great one. For those of you who don't know, there's been a series of packets, boxes, I should say, where if you've pulled out a medal card, there's not going to be a big break. So let's still stay optimistic. We may not get a big break, but get some rookies, get some goal-to-goals, and we've already pulled the signature. So this one is Callum Mills, NAB Rising Star from last year. And like I said earlier, already had a pretty lucky day today, so if we're not going to pull out anything, that's all right. Okay, so this one is Jack Darling, 460. And the number for that one is 141. Okay, now we have got another goal-to-goal, and this is Tom Hawkins from the Geelong Football Club. Yep. Now, almost finished the pile of 11 from the middle of the box. Oh, and we have got another rookie, and this guy is showing some stuff with Geelong. It is Tom Stewart, and he is the number 40, RC40. That was his draft number, and it is a 197 out of 220. So really happy with that one, especially seeing how he's been playing. Been donning on the number 44 for Geelong, which is big shoes to fill, considering it was Corey and Ryan. Okay, Andrew Swallow, 460, and that's number 457. Okay. Yep, just comments there. Okay, so we've got an insert here, and it's Took Miller from the Gold Coast Suns. Oh, nice low one as well. 033 for Gold Coast. So. Okay, so now we're off to the last 12, which is our final row in there. Okay, here we go. Final 12. If we get a big break, I think I'll be the first one that I know of to have gotten it, but so there we go. Cirioli, 460. And it's number 391 on the back. Okay, so last few. Right, still another 11. I shouldn't be getting too carried away. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, just commons in that one. Yep, just commons in that one as well. Okay, we've got another All-Australian, and that is a man who's been in a bit of controversy over the last week, Mr. Toby Green from the GWS Giants. Okay, and we have got another goal to goal. And that is Michael Johnson, centre half back for the Fremantle Dockers. Number 207 on the back. Put these away. Just cleaning up my mess here, guys. Okay. Okay, now we've got another 460 and it's GWS 073 Zach Williams. Okay, and he was a pretty recent draft pick. Okay, and another 460, it's Lin Jong from the Western Bulldogs, 179. Other than the checklist common, yeah, there's nothing else, but I'll just show you that one. That's what the common there looks like, of the common checklist, I should say. Okay, now, these are the last 5, guys, so I'm not too confident, but hey, it's been a fun time. So we've got Corey Enright, All-Australian. And I was always surprised when I'd open these ones up and no number on the back. Got a feeling we got another 460 here, and we do. It is Travis Collier from the Essendon Football Club, and 080 is the number for the Travis Collier. Okay, and yeah, just a bunch of commons. And our last 2, guys, last 2. And that one was just all commons. Sorry, I should have mentioned that. And we've got another 460, and that's the final card. But it is Caleb Marchbank from the Carlton Football Club, number 387. Yeah. So just letting you know very quickly, Callum Mills medallion. If you do get a medallion in a packet, yeah, you'd be lucky to get a big break, but hey, who knows? And Dunstan, Luke Dunstan from St Kilda. And I'll just quickly just go through the last thing before we depart. So this is where I've got a lot of my cards that I'm selling. A lot of them are 2017 certified cards from this year. So if you're interested to have a look, yep, feel free. There's the address there, and I'll just call it out to make it a bit easier for all of us. Okay, it's stores.ebay.com.au/TISM, spelled TISM 84, all in the one name, that one. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Hope your team wins and hope the collecting goes well. Cheers.